Mbona mana gemente ekene kwa mụna bika ebe na na-enweta video dịkwa ala ka ọ dịla onye ọbụla na mma. Ya bụ video nwanne nwoke Igwe Credo mee. Igwe Credo si ka okwu kwere gade n'ihe na-eme Harrison na ndị ọzọ. Mana I want you people to go back to my video. The reason I chose me with that video lost there was me because not only it contain something, or contain some copyright violated songs. I've tried as much as I can, to make sure I wanted that video. Man, I'm go. It will not suit me and play that video, risk my channel in order to promote that video. So that is when we need, go back and look to that video before you go in another video. When you go concern in that video, let me just brief summarize it. Also, as some okay, but on him no wa. Ewe beleka chukwu na duegi dupuke gi n'ihe dika ure dika eziokwu. In other words, ihe ọbụla ya eme allegation ọbụla ya bịa legacy a man that will make people to start questioning your integrity. Pray as much as you can kadating alebia to pray not to be in a position whereby na only you knows the truth. Na ina afukwa ndị makwa na ndị dị njọ, they will be the one gini castigating you. Na ni ekpere ka mala na in that situation kida no na situation not also go amala nke be eziokwu. Natago. Pray just ekpere because na some anyway can baza nkite. Then okucha that story always you should also that na even Harrison was warned not to go to that issue. Osekoga. So you geze Igwe Credo na this video. You will up to your head malo nke ye believe. So I still stand on that note where say also go abona Harrison wepuli ego na that thing. I will not still see him as a bad man. And I will not see him as onyojo. I will not see him as a wicked person. That even after all said and done, as an Harrison wepuli ego, that will not change one atom of respect that I have for him. I'm not the type of person, yeah, but that is why it takes me time to build respect for somebody. Man, I don't easily lose the respect I have for people. No, I borrow money, but I will say, I've lost total respect for you. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. Not I go. And will never do that because it is even written in the Bible. Oh, mother, a son, my walking up for cause of Lebem Pang, Chalamana Dagali, or Moayam. Mpia we boy, why another cause for Mpia, a bomb shall mine neck or the cover. It is better to cover your father's shame, cover your father's shame than to take him outside the corners of it. May even Bible said women learn to cover your hair. In other words, learn to protect your own family. I don't easily build trust on people. But once I begin to respect you, nothing will make me do that respect you. That was what kept me when the mother and drag Fadambaka. That was what kept me. I stand there. So that does not change the fact that you may say that the eye of Eli is becoming dim. But that doesn't mean that the young Samuel does not need Eli to guide him. That no matter what, I was saying it countlessly in those videos. Go and watch. Milo. To the extent that I was banned in posting some people's video on my channel. I was banned. And does it change anything? No. So in this video, Igbo naga
Ohaneze Igbo mulunze muoso. Igbo mulunze muoso. Ohaneze Igbo mulunze muoso. Abia kwa m ka nsi abia. Maka na ịma na ọ bụrụ mgbe ọnwụ na ka nji abia. Ọ bụrụ okwu niile ka na-eti ọnụ. Mana okwu gbasara mmadụ na-aba anọ na n'iru screen ma Verydarkman na Harrison mmetinye ọnụ. Because before even name Harrison ebido mewie, I chatted him, I told him. There was a time I called him about few months ago and I told him, where will you go in my life when I will where's your brother? No matter what you like, do for people in this life. 2 seconds is too big for them Ekoto iwe niile ahụ ị na-eme before God and man. Mgbe Harrison na-akwụgharị n'ime ọbịa na-achụgharị ndị kidnappers, there was a comment I made in one of his video. Where we are saying, brother, did you remember na ewu nwa mmadụ? Iburo police, Iburo army, you are not in any force. Brother, bakwa n'ụlọ. Onwekwa onye furu iwe na-eme o. Ọkwa na Nigeria anya. It is not possible. Nigeria can never ever make you a hero. Nigerians can never ever. Onwere iwe ime Nigerians say atụwa n'anya. Mamu mamadio. Onwere iwe imegide. Ndị onye gị na ya na-achụ anụ nwe iko agakata one kata ga anya osi na ụkwụ edo dịka ụkwụ anụ. I am talking to you from experience. Balo okwu n'ụlọ. You are a young promising man. I told him, ask me, echem na ịbalụ second degree ka ije melo. Have these people, man, they will not. Many people attack him on that comment. You are very why not you? Give an attack him. Why not go and do that thing he's doing? Say Harrison, you have a mother. I don't know me nugo why man afube any update ni nugo why ma oni mugo nwa. Maka na owu mugo nwa no why I don't think ni hear even my friends say no police na me anu me discourage you from the work. I can never ever support any of my friends or family members to join anything force na Nigeria. Okwa nka politicians si ju na akpaliam. Ezifugun una anoro n'iru ogu na anu with bandits, criminals, and kidnappers. Ha nolozia n'office na-eme call na-asị unu stand down. Ka a na-agwa ya stand down na-enye obey the last order command stand down. Bandits eweli na-agwa abacha. Agbabuche about 20-30 policemen. Echini na-asị na a na-grant ndị bandits amnesty. Na na-enyeba pardon. Manya wuluwo onye Igbo committee. Ifu atu onyanga, ifu egbu onye a sentence to death by hanging. Nyaka mma abia support all my own blood to join police or army. I can't do that. Any of my friends not police or army or umu rubbish. Nya umu ya na abayeli. Na Nigeria no. Better resign and go home. Politicians will use you as they like. Ejuna eme turn up. Mbona ye meeting we tankata una ayara no. Obey the last order kpokuru je ilu eniru ogu ekwulu. I told him, Putania this thing, you are not a police, you are not onwere ye gbasai. Go and face your life. Look at your mother. Every 3 years, 4 years, nigga na ebali. Anya mmiri eju ya anya. Na akpụyali nwa ya. Asi na-ekwu ogbugbo ọnụ, you are envious of him. I call me even in ako. Nigerians can never ever appreciate good thing. Mamu mamade. Anya mụrụ ume emie. Agbela anya n'ikuku. Anya mụrụ ume emie. Or somebody ki mechela ogo mecheli ya tachala ofu buchela onu. Spend the time your hard-earned money. Spend the time your time to please. 2 seconds pekonya we cut to everything imegoli in life. I'm talking to you out of experience. Onye ute onye feel go onye pass go through it we ya putapu. Gwa VDM a manipulator. Lukwe echi, luo nwanne echi. Save this video. Obiala oka. Ndị kpọrọ onwe ba celebrities na ndị kpọrọ onwe ba nke nwa aftacha na-eme video na-esogharị na-ekliva. Kebe dị iche na gị na VDM. Because no ji manipulative spirit ye, wee build your followers, wee build your whatever movement. Onye ọwụ na-achịkọrọ we VDM na-abịa. Since Harrison ji maybe when you know concerning kidnappers and bandits, man, Edo State, U State VDM. If you get a VDM me video, kene. okika wiye na-eso okwu okika ka a na-azọ ọwụ na ịmara amarụ. If you don't know, say you don't know. Ịbata into the system. If you come into the social media system, anya kusieri iwe dị involve. Okika ka a na-azọ. Okika wiye na-esen. Don Jazzy send ego. Harrison didn't bother. He didn't complain. Look at Don Jazzy send the nyanwa. Ofuwa ufu na arụ. Ibido comparison. Give one very dark man. Onwe ive dị iche. Onwe ive iji wee wụrụ very dark man Harrison enwere. Idigokwa able to know na onwe ive Harrison nwe gị nwere. Yes. Onwe ive Harrison nwe that you don't have. And you can never have it. When you give one very dark man that Harrison doesn't have. Before he did popular on social media, Harrison has been there doing his thing. Yes. Because in this our social media life, if you want to succeed in the media, go and learn how to manipulate people. If you can be able to manipulate gullible people, upon manipulation, it pays a lot in the media business. Verydarkman is a manipulator. Whenever I'm listening to him, I was watching his video he did concerning Harrison, and I found out that boy is a demon. Verydarkman, the demonic. The same ways we understand the video me concerning B-Lord, the same ways we understand the video me Basalo Gene, Iyabojo, the same way can we understand the videos ni no name concerning Mobad. He wasn't doing that Mobad case because no follow that boy Nanya. After all, he never had an encounter with Mobad. He was only chasing clout. Tell me any detail, any saga or any clout VDM involved going on where that is not already trending. Kedumaka the issue of Kedumaka this girl in Big Brother Niger accident in 1 year one. Kedumaka issue of Dangote. Wakenemu any issue VDM video match. Nya follow the up that issue. Nya that issue end there well. And where reconciliation. Gwagodumu any of the issue. Otilono na case akwa oko. Owa nya just any trending topic. Gullible people. Unana gullible people. What I say you are envy. Envy for what? Verydarkman is Verydarkman. I am Igbo credom them. He can never even when that he also Kwenu, he can never have it. He can never ever have it. I had it. Osenabo weaver flonanya. Another warrior, no natural something that comes natural. Igbonya agwo no kata o fail oyi. Ana me etu e ka obolo o tinye onu no no ka nke okokokoko just so see what you make all way destabilize ya. He doesn't like any peaceful coexistence. Saint VDM, you don't have a sin. Mr. Integrity, integrity. Integrity 001. Integrity 001, but you choose people you talk about. You choose people you talk about. Have you ever had VDM talking against the Islamic religion? No Christian religion or yokumakia, traditional religion or yokumakia, Pentecost or yako, Catholic or yako, ndatulu so gwale achika kono, or yako maka obi, or yako maka akwa oko, or yako maka mbaka, or yako maka ebube monso. Man, he can never talk, say, go to pim, maka Islamic religion. Now, pim, maka Islamic religion, if them born and well. All the calculative and all the manipulative. The two all people are no longer, hey, a chofu, humanitarian service, me. A chofu mo, but the job follow me. Charity begins at home. Most of these people in Afu, celebrities, influencers, not on social media in Afu, they're not following him because they love him. They're following him because he is also a cloud chaser like them. I thought he would make a difference. Man, I've looked at the young man and I found out that so she wanna drag somebody down. Look at Iyabojo. Ini no ojijide ditale Iyabojo ji we kponya aweje na police onu nwa na-echekwu na akpu ya. Who is he? Or commissioner of police, call IG of police, call attorney general of the federation. Who is VDM? Unu na-eje akpu ya. Come, let us settle. Because you don't want people to call you out on the social media. If you have a good record, no matter who he or she is, you can't be afraid. Only when cockroach in his cupboard, you are not with people like VDM. It is only trending issue. I have his number. I don't chat him. I know how I got his number when he was in Turkey. Oh, through video call, conference video call, cannot be a web on my WhatsApp. And I decided to save it in case someone need help. He came to work, I didn't answer him fun city, with my family. Who is he? For what? Manipulative. I saw VDM and the Harrison Noka when candlelight. Fish magnet and a Sagari picture. That is why you can never see me okay for crowd. You can never see me as and everybody be content creators so be influencers be an you can never see me there. Okuno achorome. You can never see me there. I don't like people snapping picture with me. When I make a picture, love other picture very well, love other video very well. When I follow out and delete the picture, delete the video. Manipulative and demonic. Video man neso. Okoto go your religion. Okoto go your church. Okoto go your friend. Okoto go your benefactor. Obi kubana da foto onye nke dafta oko onye nke gwakene mu ofu onye Hausa mo an Islamic clergy VDM call go out egwanara ato ya. You have the freedom to call out any politician. You have the freedom. And don't select word oje full of politicians up. Ojunu na mpola amu for unu nwa wo mu nwoke. Unu nwa wo mu nwanyi ododo unu na clitoris. That is it. I'm not a cloud chaser. Mananka. 100% of Yenine Harrison name. You have never ever done a video with your ring light to say, hey Harrison, you are trying, you are doing okeka we even senu VDM. Jealousy and enviness. Okeka we even say. When you're 100 million, when you're 200 million, okeka we even say. It don't happy with Harrison from day one. Man, I want to advise you, give one enemy, try and make sure if your enemy, you can be able to recognize him or her. It's very important that when you see your enemy, you know your enemy and now you can recognize. So many people now why now we snob is because I know you to be my enemy. If you comment rubbish on my comments and free face to face, as long as Mama go face to face. One of my friends, the fake account every time on a comment on my post negatively. Amara na mma. Osena abo we ya for nanya ebum the gift. Mbido babali oso. Ono wonde na bata event o bia ka okene mazo onye omo onye nyanya na anovu snob wonya wonya na na. Ndị mmadu tie mkpu. Hey! Kedu onye kwula aje? Omeche chat ya mgwe ya brother, you are not a friend. You are an enemy. Yamaro onye gini ya na-emeka ihe. Abụ m Igbo kreda arọbụna gụ nwanre till I die. I will remain arọbụna gụ nwanre. Ose na abụ ihe afọ n'anya. Enidere m iwu gili ka m wee mara iwe ewo. I don't need you to get close to me for me to know what you are capable of doing. Manipulative VDM. I am not against his movement or whatever, man. What I want to tell you, Buna VDM a snake. Kelu politician ya trust me? On assume na he cannot work with any politician. Kelu politician ya trust mu VDM? Kelu brand ya trust mu VDM? The video on eso gari chena the video trust VDM. Ichena the video ya no uniru VDM mekawi. Ki chena bona boy ya no uni. Kedu any of VDM friends ya no uniru ba jagwa. Echini ne coffee yoko. He is manipulative and demonic. He is always happy in the downfall of others. Man, I don't pray for his downfall. Man, as long as none they celebrate the downfall of others, oh yeah, that chinyo ben. Obiana come like a B Lord. Can you do what B Lord have done at his age? B Lord will be okay, be moka. But I have never ever for once gone to his office. And with a period all content creator no no can you office B Lord Camille. Onye ojeje haya to onye na-esi o seche D Lord buru jebe. O host event na bie na Ebenebe mo na Ngozika. Ama bie na Ebenebe mara na Ngozika. I've never stepped foot there. Mbosi njelo olu ichoku Ebenebe kpọ ma olu na Ebenebe. Agwam na B Lord no there. I delayed till agwam na B Lord anagokwe nwe biawa. Do you know why? Achọrọ m echi niile ka mmadụ nọkọtasị Igwe Credo ji solo na ndị na-esogharị B Lord ka wee na tia ihe. O nwere ihe nna achọ n'aka B Lord. Nothing. I know so many of my friends, so many of my boys, B Lord okwelu n'ọkụ nyewe ọlụ a na-alụrụ ya ọlụ. So many of my boys, so many of my friends. One of my friend type on my project when I defended my project in Unizik. Na alụrụ B Lord ọlụ wụrụ right hand man ya in the business. Ogolomoto be the guy. If I want to meet B Lord in his parlor, in his bedroom, the boy can lead me to. But the boy can bear me witness not up to today. Junu be me say B Lord. Mbosim biale service motom na Unizik Junction. B Lord biale there. E service his G wagon. Mbia na olo onwem o meche nke epu mo nwa my own. I didn't greet him. He didn't greet me on olo onwe na olo onwe. Nwere ibe na achọ n'aka B Lord. Ana m esogharị ndị ọgaranya n'ike n'ike. Nke mụ ka nna achọ. But that does not mean na mfu onye kwuwela ajọ okwu about my own brother, my own Igbo brother na my reti inye ọnụ. B Lord the manipulative and all a sadist. He is never happy with the progress of others. All those things on ekwu maka Burna Boy, the video ha ji wee nweche ego na-eme nke nwa na-ego moto. It is out of being a sadist. Out of activist. Onwezi nke okwotere owu. Okwotere na owu philanthropist, okwotere na owu activist. Onwere anything okwotere na owu in the social media world. So si okwotere na owu Mr. Integrity 001. Mana oto ijula everywhere in the social media. Even your recent one. Sent VDM di aso. Ndị Igbo anya saa unu. Ụmụ Anambra anya saa unu. If you are an Igbo person and you are in the social media, anya saa ke we malo mgbe eju na akpali am. VDM anokata ngo kwuo in support of Nnamdi Kanu. So you are na-ekwu they will jail him, they will jail him. Oh, you don't know they will jail him before? Manipulation. Anyị nwa wunde ma iwe ọ na-alụ ma where he stands. He wants Nnamdi Kanu to be jailed. He has never solicited nothing. So molo na akọ. Harrison ọwụ na aka ịdị ọcha ịpụta ịmụla akọ anya asa agha ije baala okwu n'ụlọ nụọ nwaanyị chi aga okwu n'ụlọ onye agwa alụkwa agwakwu ya ọzọ